What do you do? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. So right here you can see that we have got a trade that is up to 123% in profit right here, trading on Bluefin. Of course, this is just a $20,000 to 100k challenge that we announced on this channel. But in this video, I want to talk about Luno and how exactly we're going to take advantage of this uptrend that we have started, because on our trading tools and stuff like that, there is something going on. Of course, as you can see, we have got this ascending triangle and this is a bullish pattern. All right, so I opened this trade yesterday, right, around $89,381, and right now we are up to 123% in pure profit, making us $12,143, right? And we still have like some funds right here, and we're gonna open more trades as market keeps on going up and stuff like that. So I just wanted to share with you guys about this trade and our challenge that we have started. And of course, I also wanna tell you more about Luno trading and stuff like that. As you can see that, you know, a lot of you want to trade spot trading. Most of you are not interested in futures trading. That's why, you know, I also want to add more about Luno. So basically, if you want to take advantage of spot trading and you don't want to, you know, take a lot of risk with futures trading, then Luno trading is very, very good, especially, you know, in times like this. We don't really know what's going to happen, you know, in the market and stuff like that. But then because our tools pretty much help us and tell us what's going to happen in the future. For example, right now we can see that I've got the signal strike. Signal strike is a very, very good indicator, because this indicator pretty much tells me when exactly I have to be buying, you know, cryptocurrencies, and when exactly I have to be selling and stuff like that. As you can see, it gives me these buy and sell signals in real time. All right, so this is exactly exact indicator that I use to open pretty much all my futures trading positions and all that good stuff. So right now, looking at Bitcoin, as you can see, I've got this ascending triangle and this is a bullish pattern. We are just waiting for confirmation, right? For confirmation right here. If we see the price of Bitcoin, you know, breaking this line right here and going to the upside like this, and of course I'm gonna jump on Bluefin crypto exchange and open more positions. Right, we still have some more funds, and of course I still have to open, like, you know, Ethereum positions, XRP, you know, XRP and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So let's take a look at Ethereum and see what's happening. And by the way, guys, if you want to join this challenge of turning, you know, 20,000 USD to 100k, make sure you leave a like button and join our Telegram group, and the link is going to be in the description below. And you know, if you want to join a private group whereby I share my signals and trading strategies and stuff like that, make sure you know, check out any of these tools right here on heavycryptouniversity.online. you know, all these tools right here. You can get any of these tools, and of course you're gonna join a private group where exactly I share my signals and my trading plans and all that good stuff. You know what I mean? Very, very important, because, you know, you're gonna be able to trade with me and, you know, join all these challenges and stuff like that in real time. So the indicator that I'm using right now is called signal strike. Right here is called signal strike, and this is a very, very good indicator. And if you're interested, make sure you get this indicator, or you can also get a heavy crypto indicator. They are kind of similar, but then, like, with heavy crypto indicator is more about trend line. So let me show you what heavy crypto indicator is showing on the chart, right? As you can see right now, heavy crypto indicator, the candlestick turned yellow, so it means that the trend is changing direction. As you can see, we had this bearish trend, all the candles were red and stuff like that, and the market was going down. And then right now, all the candles are turning yellow. You know what I mean? So anytime soon, or as soon as the market, or, you know, price of Bitcoin break this line right here, we're gonna see green candlesticks. And remember, you know, when we're having these green candlesticks, it means that the market is going to the upside and stuff like that. All right, so we already got the confirmation from signal strike right here by having this, you know, buy signal right here, and we're just waiting for confirmation. So talking about Ethereum, is this good time to buy some Ethereum or not? You know, that's what I'm waiting for. So to confirm that, I'm just gonna wait for the price of Bitcoin to break the ascending triangle or maybe hit 94, 95k, and then that's when we're gonna confirm whether we have to be buying Ethereum and stuff like that. But for now, all I'm using is a signal strike indicator or heavy crypto indicator to find better entries into the market. So you can also use these indicators on Luno crypto exchange, you know, by applying the same strategy. When it's time to buy, you know, when you get a buy signal like this one right here on Ethereum, you get a buy signal, that's when you go to Luno crypto exchange right here, and then, you know, buy some crypto. And then when it's time to sell, you get a sell signal like this, and then you go to Luno crypto exchange and then you sell. I don't know how long will it take. It just depends on the market, right? But then, for example, you can see that this took up to 20 hours for this to play out, right? For this to play out from this buy to this sell took up to what? 18 hours. All right, so you already know the kind of range that you're going to be dealing with. For example, let's say this one right here took up to 19 hours. Let's check again this one right here took up to like 8 hours. So you should know that you're dealing with hours right here, meaning that if you buy right now, for example, but let's say you take advantage of this buy signal right here, or let's take a look at Bitcoin chart, right? Let's say you take advantage of this buy signal right here, you know, you would have made at least let's say, you know, 2% to the upside just because of this, you know, buy signal alone. Or let's say you took advantage of this one again, you know, you'd have made at least like 3% to the upside, and this one would have given you at least you know, 2%. So if you hold all the way from here to here, it would be like at least 5%, you know, and this is all power of spot trading. And I've been trading like spot trading since way back. It's a really good strategy, low risk and stuff like that, but then all you need is capital. So all these tools and indicators, you're gonna find them on heavycryptouniversity.online, and of course you're gonna be able to join our private group whereby I share all my signals and stuff like that. And you can also book me for one-on-one if you need any help. You know what I mean? So visit, guys. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to make a quick video, and of course we're going to be dropping more videos about crypto arbitrage. For those who are interested in crypto arbitrage, then this is a good channel for that. You know what I mean? And thank you for tuning in. Therefore, I'll see you in the video. And guys, make sure that you like these videos and subscribing and commenting, because in each and every video I'll be picking up a random winner, and then we're gonna give him free tools from, you know, heavycryptouniversity.online. We're gonna give you guys free tools and stuff like that. So make sure you're just liking, subscribing, and commenting, you know, to get a chance to, you know, win all these tools and everything for free. And therefore, I'll send the video, guys. Love and peace, and cheers, guys.